In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the UpScrolled app here on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, make sure that your phone is connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data, since you will need an internet connection to download the app. But from here, go ahead and back out and open up the App Store, and up at the very top, just make sure that you're signed in to your Apple ID account. If you're not signed in yet, just follow the prompts to log in or create a free account by hitting login or sign up. And whenever you're ready, back out of here and click on this little search icon down in the bottom right and just type in UpScrolled, spelled exactly like this. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you're going to see UpScrolled on here. Open it up and you're going to see all of your UpScrolled information, and you could scroll through here to see exactly what UpScrolled is. But essentially, go ahead and hit this little get button right here, and then you may be prompted to enter in your password, maybe sign in with Face ID, whatever it might be, Touch ID even. As soon as you do that and hit install, the app will immediately start downloading. As you can see, it is downloading for me right here, and whenever it finishes, it will not only be on, your desktop, but it'll also be accessible through the App Store as well. So just wait for it to be done, and you'll be good to go. And from here, you can open it up, log in, create an account, and start using it. It really is as simple as that. Once again, if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.